y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is a Stitch Fix day. Stitch Fix is another one of those styling services where you give them all the information on what you want, what you need, your sizes, your likes, your dislikes, and they will send you 5 pieces based on the information that you give them. They also have previews that you can do each month. I will have all the information down below, but bottom line is $20 styling fee. Keep what you want, send back what you don't in their postage paid envelope, and it's great. You don't have to go to the mall, you don't have to fight the crowd, you don't have to change clothes in the tiny little hot dressing room, so it's a win-win. Also, if you get all 5 pieces, you get a 20% discount on your total box, plus your $20 styling fee, so that works out really well. But I'm gonna start with what I have on. The top is the Shenaya Knit top in dark purple by Pinque Clover, and it is $29.99. And y'all, this is super, super soft. It's got this cowl neck that is actually a hoodie, a full-on hoodie, if you need that. Super soft, long sleeves, which actually you can roll them up. It's got the kangaroo pockets. It's long in the front and in the back. This is the front, but it's long and it's really not tuck-inable because it's got these pockets that stick out. But I do think this would be really cute with leggings because it is long. Like, I would wear this with leggings, and I think it's super, super cute and comfy, and I certainly like the price. So this is the first. This top is the first. These are the 151 Maddie utility joggers, navy, size small, $38. 2 really good prices. I love these. They too super, super soft. They've got these 2 pockets, and then these pockets are actually, where are they? Here it is. Deep working pockets. And so super comfortable. I like the length. I like joggers. I think this is a great price. I probably will keep these. I do have blue joggers that I got not too long ago, but they are completely different than this, and they're actually not joggers. I keep saying they're joggers, but they're not. Love these. Love these. Love this. So probably going to keep both of these things. So I will be back with the next item. Okay, this is the Andrina 2-pocket textured cardigan by Pinque, P-I-N-Q-U-E, if that's how you say that. Beige, size small, $44, so not bad. I think this is cute. I do like it. It's very versatile. Got the, but I have this Love Ellie that is very, very similar. It's longer. I actually like mine better. I do think this is cute, but got something super, super similar, so this will be a no. They know I like the tribal Fia mid-rise cuff straight trouser in blue, size 6, $58. I love these pants, and I've got several colors, and I do not have a navy, but so comfortable. They're a good price. Cuffed at the bottom. You can dress them up, dress them down. I've just got my little sneakers on. I really love this. I really do. These, to me, they fit kind of like leggings. They're that stretchy. They're just so comfortable. Probably have VPL, so I love them. I think I will probably keep them. Stitch Fix has been with me. It's really been super hit or miss, and mostly miss. I've got a piece of hair in my eye. Lately, I've been getting some really good Stitch Fix boxes, so this being one of them. I will be back with the last item. This last item is the Layla Seamless Open Cardigan by Fortune and Ivy in burnt orange, $54. Okay. I thought I was really gonna like this. Let's stick this in here for now. I thought I was gonna like this. I think I picked this out too. But in my mirror, I didn't like it very much. And I do think this is really cute. It's burnt orange with black stripes, and there's also some like kind of sparkly little, I don't know if you can see that, but sparkly little threads in there. But super cute. It is warm. It's a little itchy, like back here where it's touching my neck. It's pretty itchy. I'm not sure how that would work, but anyway, let me go through the bottom line on all these. So all super good prices, which also I think that tells me I picked it out. My stylist was Ashley, which I've had her before finally. I have the same person. The stylist pick subtotal is $223.99, so not bad for 5 items. Buy all discount 25%. I said 20 in the beginning, and it's 25%. That's less $50, which would bring the total minus tax to $167.99. $167.99. That's pretty good for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. I think I will probably keep the 3 that I told you about that I really like. I think those are the ones I'll keep. And those are $38.29 and $58. So I think this was a good box. I really like that they're doing the preview so you can pick out. And when I do that and I pick out however many, you're not really getting styled. I mean, none of this really went together. Well, no, I don't think any of it went together because I think the joggers were too baggy with the hooded sweater. I think those would be much cuter with jeans or with slim jeans or leggings. But I think I'm going to keep those. I'm going to keep the joggers, and pretty sure I'm going to keep these Fia trousers. I'll just have to see. But that is it for this really quick Stitch Fix unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.